Ooh, someone posted a comment in Russian. What does it say? Let's check. Google Translate. What the So you want to know if you should buy the Jaybird Run in 2019. I gotta tell you though, it is not a new product. Jaybird Run was released in September 2017 at $170 US. So you're looking at a 1.5-year-old product. But hey, who am I to judge? Maybe you're just looking at this right now because someone recommended it to you. If so, let me tell you why you should get this in 2019 and why you shouldn't get this in 2019, okay? So that this will be a fair and balanced view. There are a few reasons why you shouldn't get this in 2019. The first reason is that it's still got a pretty decent battery life. It's got a total battery life of up to 12 hours. You've got 3 hours of charge in the earbuds and 3 extra charges in the case. So this makes 12 hours in total, and that is still pretty competitive with rivals out there in the market, with the exception perhaps of the JBL 3. Reason number 2 is that this still has a rather good set of features even in 2019. For example, the Jaybird My Sound app allows you to do custom EQ settings. This is still a feature that many other true wireless earbuds don't have. Also, they support your phone's native voice assistants such as Siri and Google Assistant. And not only can you use the buttons of the earbuds to answer your phone calls, you can also use them for music controls. And if you prefer, you can also change them to support volume controls instead, and you do that through the My Sound app. So even in 2019, this is still considered to be quite feature-rich. Reason number 3, you do get quite a stable fit from them because of the stability fins. The fins come in different sizes, and the silicone tips, they're soft and they fit very well in your ear canal. So if you're looking for something that is good to work out with, the Jaybird Runs are a pretty good choice, even in 2019. So those are the reasons why you should buy the Jaybird Runs in 2019. But these are the reasons why you shouldn't buy them, okay? Reason number 1, they do not support Bluetooth 5.0. So if you're in a crowded place with a lot of competing wireless devices, you do get signal drops. Quite a bit of them. I remember back in the year 2017 when this came out, it was considered quite normal for true wireless earbuds to have frequent signal drops. That is because the earbuds have to maintain the connection with each other in addition to the connection to your phone. So things can get pretty tricky, because during that period, the best Bluetooth protocol that you could find in a pair of wireless earbuds is Bluetooth 4.2. But when put into a true wireless earbud situation, the bandwidth just wasn't enough. So if your phone is in your pocket and you walk into a crowded street, bam, that's when signal drops happen. So it's not a very pleasant experience. But now, the situation has changed. So many true wireless earbuds out there support Bluetooth 5.0. And Bluetooth 5.0 will give you much more reliable Bluetooth connection than true wireless earbuds with Bluetooth 4.2. So if you're living in 2019, wouldn't you want more reliable Bluetooth connection? The second reason why you shouldn't buy this in 2019, wow, this one's a biggie. It sounds below average. I wouldn't say terrible. It does have a lot of bass, which I thoroughly enjoy because I'm a bass head. But in terms of clarity, in terms of layering, track separation, you know, the clarity of vocals, it's below average, okay? This was one of the points that I raised when I was comparing this to the JBL 3, which you can watch in this video right over here. But this also seems to sound below average in comparison with cheaper earbuds that I've recently reviewed, such as the X Mini Liberty. That one costs around $50 or so, and this is after I've tried tweaking the sound in the My Sound app. Out of the box, it sounds even worse. So I've improved it to a point where I can call it below average instead of terrible, okay? The only other thing that is great about its sound is that it gets pretty loud. So if you're looking for something to blast your music with, I guess the Jaybird Run is really your choice, but even at moderate volume levels, you get a lot of distortion, especially in the mid-range, and it only gets worse the louder you play it. So yeah, these two reasons are really big reasons why I feel you shouldn't get the Jaybird Runs in 2019. But if, for the positive reasons I've cited, you feel that this is a great choice, go ahead, I won't stop you. After all, the reason why you're subscribed to this channel is because you know that I always give these products a fair shake. My conscience is clear. I gotta sleep well at night. I need sleep. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to ring the bell to join my notification squad because I upload videos every single week, and this is the only way you'll get notified, okay? So thank you for watching. My name is Aaron, and I'll see you again in the next video. Face palm out!